So we're making brownies for Mother's Day, and the ingredients are.
So we got our brownie mixer, got our egg, and our oil, our half cup of oil.
And also,
What is that?
3 tablespoons. How
3
many
tablespoons.
eggs?
three tablespoons of water.
Yeah,
You
2
need
eggs.
2 eggs. We already put one in though, so.
Okay, mix it. Yeah, put it in here. Turn it. Put this. I think you got 2 eggs already. Alright. And put it. Good job. And then next. That's all. I have to do the mixing. My other one.
Yeah, start mixing.
Teamwork.
And you put in your vegetable
I
oil.
think this one is stronger.
Put in your vegetable oil.
Yes. Good
Mix
job.
it, Jeremy. What are you doing?
Alright, and then you get the water. Oh yeah, here's the water.
And
I got water. Yes, I got water.
Put it in.
There you go.
Let me do that, Jeremy.
I think this one is stronger. Careful. Good job. Okay, how long, Jimmy, it's going to take? Yeah.
So, after you stirred it up, you want to butter like one of these.
Mm-hmm.
And once you butter one of these, you
So you pour it in now?
Yeah, leave it
so
right
you
here.
just pour it in.
Give me that.
So once you have it in there, you want to bake it about 24 to 26 minutes at 350 degrees.
How many minutes?
There.
How many minutes?
Fair.
How many minutes, Jeremy?
24 to 26 Fahrenheit.
Alright, put it in.
Hold on, Jimmy. Good job. All right. And we have to wait. Wait, Jimmy. We have to wait. How many minutes?
You have to wait 24 to 26 minutes.
All right, that's it. And then we have to wait. We're gonna eat some soup and rice while waiting.